Hey, Cinechroma Entertainment Television, Buckingham Daddy. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, Abiola. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy go day. Buckingham Daddy Abiola. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy go day. African legacy, you know they take and play. African culture, you hold am very tight. African money, you know they agree above. For in gym, for in vein, na African blood. Buckingham Daddy Abiola. Buckingham Daddy today.
Then they take care of their people. Eh?
I told you that the people governing you guys over there are wicked set of people.
They are really wicked.
When I asked you to come over for holiday, you thought I was just joking. Because I actually wanted you to come around and see what is happening here by yourself.
Hey, Anderson. Now where I come, now I see say this country government they try for you people. See all this park where you see here, where people they enjoy yafu, where government they look after them. So if na Nigeria, then go down turn the whole of this park to market.
I know.
Then go down turn them to market.
I know.
Eh?
The essence of the whole thing is for the people to look, the government to look after our citizens.
Do you see what I'm seeing? Hey.
What are you saying?
Oh.
What is he doing?
Do you see what I'm seeing? Mama, I'm coming. What? Mommy me?
Uncle, what do you think you're doing?
What? Mommy me? What? Mommy me? What? Mommy me?
What did they worry you?
How are you?
Who be your mommy?
Eh?
Who be your mommy?
See, this is Buckingham Palace, Buckingham Daddy. Now Buckingham Daddy, now they talk to you. I like you.
This place is only Buckingham for your eye. No, you don't know where Buckingham is.
See, you reason for back, oh.
What do you mean by that?
The shakatu where you get for back, now they make we elderly people like this, they look young. Eh? God give you a good gift, oh.
Yeah.
Hey. Oh, see your shakatu. Oh, Oro.
What's going on here?
Oro. Wo bó ṣe gbá mi ní ẹnu.
Oh, you're going to buy it.
Kò gbá mi ní ẹnu.
We don't touch people just anyhow here. This is England.
Why did you slap me like this?
I'm really sorry.
Hey.
Mo
bí ọmọ mi ní ṣe gbá mi ní ẹnu nítorí pé mo wo ṣàkàtú tí Ọlọ́run fi sí ní ara ẹ̀bùn.
Kò yẹ kẹ́ gbá létí síbẹ̀síbẹ̀.
Gbogbo nǹkan tó máa ń jẹ́ kí ẹ̀mí àgbàlagbà kú
I
rè.
can see you from here.
Kò yẹ kẹ́ gbá létí.
I'm just on the corner, just under the
Mo
tree
ṣe gbá
here.
mi ní ẹnu.
Okay, I'm coming there to meet you
Eh?
right
Wo ṣàkàtú tí Ọlọ́run. Ọ̀rọ̀ kú o.
Nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe yìí ò kojú mọ́.
What's going on here?
Ask me.
Kí ni ṣe tó gbá mi
You
ní ẹnu?
don't see me. Mommy me. You can't begin. They follow me like a toddler. And he touched me. The next thing he touched my bum, so I slapped him.
Touch your bum.
Yes.
Wetin?
So I slapped him.
So you touch somebody's wife's bum.
Look, not let me put the anger wey dey for my head on you.
You be mumu.
Which anger?
You think say you dey wise?
My wife, you're telling me.
You are a mumu man.
Uncle, kí n ṣe ń bí bíbá ìka ìṣe lọ tọ́ báyìí ní ìdí.
Kí ni dé tí o fi gbá mi ní ẹnu bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn?
Ẹ̀dá fọ́kàn ẹni ẹlẹ́ni.
Mo fi ọwọ́ kan ní ẹ, ṣé èèyàn kan ní ni?
Ojú bá ń ṣe Nàìjíríà o, ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń sọ tọ̀wọ̀ fún mi.
Ẹ ṣe nǹkan tí mò ń sọ fún ọ náà
Ẹ̀yà bẹ́ẹ̀
nìyẹn.
máa ń dáadáa o.
Kí n bẹ̀ torí kí ni? Mo fa ilé Ọlọ́run lọ́wọ́.
When
Mo fa
next
ilé
you
Ọlọ́run
try
lọ.
this, you will see what I will do to you.
What will you do
you
to
come
me?
from?
Please.
What will you do
It's
to
my
me?
uncle. He just arrived.
You better be careful.
Uncle, stop it.
Uncle, you touched my wife, and now you are even pointing at me.
That's all right.
Pointing,
That's all. He just arrived to this country a few days ago. Please.
Ó gbá mi ní ẹnu bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Obìnrin.
Madam, please take care of man, uncle, please. Please
All right, no
take
problem.
your woman and go. Please.
Darling, let's go.
Take your
Wọ́n máa
woman.
mú mi.
Uncle, Iléyá.
Obìnrin ò gbá mi ní ẹnu báyìí rí. Obìnrin ò gbá mi ní ẹnu báyìí rí. Kí ló dé tó gbá mi ní ẹnu báyìí? This is your loved one, Bokian Daddy. You see, as you are watching, don't just watch alone. Please like and subscribe and press the notification bell. So as well, help us to share. That is all you can do for us. As you are doing so, God will bless you.
Hey! Cinechroma Entertainment Television. Buckingham Daddy. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo, yo, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, Abiala. Buckingham Daddy,